During Medicare annual enrollment, we had many new clients come into our office and mention that they had around $10,000 in medical bills from cancer treatments. And unfortunately, there was nothing anyone could do to fix it. In this video, we are going to talk about what type of plan these people had that caused them to accrue so many bills, why they couldn't change their situation, and most importantly, the secret weapon to use to stop this from happening. We have helped thousands of people with their Medicare, and we are now looking forward to helping you. Now, what type of plan caused this scenario? These future clients that walked into our office with around $10,000 in medical bills were enrolled in Medicare Advantage plans. Medicare Advantage plans are a private equivalent to Original Medicare. While there are some major perks, they do run on a pay-as-you-go structure. This means that you usually have a low monthly premium, but you pay for different medical procedures and needs as they come up. Most of these policies in New Jersey have out-of-pocket maxes that range from around $6,000 to $10,000 a year. While this amount varies highly from state to state, this is why these new clients had such major bills. They were hitting their out-of-pocket max due to their severe health issues. Things like cancer, a heart attack, or other ailments can quickly lead to massive bills. Many people have great experiences with Medicare Advantage plans, but any insurance plan has risks, and this is the biggest risk in our eyes. Now, why couldn't they change this situation? They couldn't change these bills for two reasons. The first is, it's already happened. You can't get insurance after something has happened. You can't start a new auto insurance policy and file a claim on an accident that's already happened. You can't start a new homeowner's insurance policy and file a claim after a tree has fallen into your house. You must insure yourself before the issue. That is why they were stuck with high bills. I can't tell you how many people I have told this to who are shocked to find this out. Don't be blindsided. The second reason is that once you get a condition like cancer, it will be some time before you can move to Original Medicare with a Medicare supplement. Let's have a brief explanation of Medicare supplements versus Medicare Advantage. Medicare Advantage is a private equivalent to Original Medicare that uses a pay-as-you-go structure. Medicare supplements, on the other hand, have higher monthly premiums in most cases, but usually have much lower out-of-pocket costs for hospital and medical coverage. You will pay more per month, but instead of around $10,000 over the course of the year in your worst-case scenario, it could be more like $1,500 to $2,500 over the course of the year. If you have cancer or had a serious heart issue recently, or really a litany of other health conditions, you won't be able to switch to a supplement. You'll have to wait until you have been cancer-free, heart disease-free, or whatever your ailment is for at least 2 years. In some states, you may be able to switch into a supplement with no underwriting. When I say underwriting, that means they're not going to look through your health records. But there may be a waiting period for any conditions you acquired prior to switching to a Medicare supplement. Either way, you could have some high medical bills or have to wait to get the care that you want. Now, what is our secret weapon to help stop this? There is a cost-effective way to combat these high costs of these medical bills you could accrue in a Medicare Advantage plan, and it is called critical illness insurance. Critical illness insurance is a type of insurance to protect you against the high costs of diseases like cancer and heart disease. These policies are simple. You take out a policy for about $15 to $45 a month that will pay on average $5,000 to $15,000 if you get a specific illness. In most cases, a cancer policy costs about $25 a month for an older adult and will give you $10,000 towards your cancer bills. Now, these numbers are highly variable depending on your age and gender and location, but these are some ballpark figures. If you remember from earlier, we mentioned many Medicare Advantage plans have out-of-pocket maxes around $7,000 to $10,000 depending on the state and zip code you're in. You could use this policy to pay for a year of cancer treatment. Think about it, $10,000 out-of-pocket max, $10,000 cancer policy. They work like a match made in heaven. What are the conditions for these policies? In most cases, you need to have not had cancer or a heart attack for 5 to 10 years to qualify for one of these policies. The underwriting standards aren't high, you just need to have not had these major medical issues to get these policies. You also need to show you have comprehensive medical coverage, and a Medicare Advantage plan fits the bill perfectly. Again, you need to get this kind of policy before something bad happens to you, so don't wait. And another note for you, you can sign up for these plans all year long. You don't have to wait for any enrollment period at the end of the year, the beginning of the year, or anything like that to sign up. And the sooner you do, the better. And how do these policies work? Once you open one of these policies, the result is simple. If you get the illness you insured, let's say cancer or a heart attack, you will get the full benefit amount of the policy. If you signed up for a cancer policy and you get cancer, you will get your benefit amount. It works a lot more like a life insurance policy than a health insurance policy. You can even set up other beneficiaries on the policy to get this benefit if you are not able to claim it due to your passing. Now you must be wondering at this point, how do you get one of these policies? We'd recommend calling a health insurance broker as soon as possible if you are interested in this kind of policy. If you'd like our help, reach out to us at 848-226-6897 to dive into your options. We are licensed in over 20 states and happy to help you out. You can also visit our website at www.njlifeandhealth.com to look into some of our great educational materials or set up an appointment online. If you have any topics you'd like us to cover in the future, please leave us a comment below and share this video with anyone who you think could use this help. Thank you again, and see you in the next video.